Hey everyone, welcome to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics for NFL fans, how to watch NFL games on your Firestick. Whether you're cheering for your favorite team or catching up on the latest matchups, Firestick offers a convenient way to stream NFL action right from your couch. Stick around as we walk you through everything you need to know. Segment 1. Setting up your Firestick for NFL streaming. First things first, let's make sure your Firestick is ready for NFL action. If you haven't already set up your Firestick, here's a quick guide. Plug your Firestick into your TV and power it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and sign in to your Amazon account. Ensure your Firestick software is up to date by going to settings greater than My Fire TV, greater than check for updates. Segment 2, installing NFL streaming apps. Now, let's get those NFL apps installed. Here are some popular options. NFL app. Head to the Amazon App Store on your Firestick and search for NFL. Download and install the official NFL app. Streaming services, apps like ESPN, NBC Sports, or CBS All Access also offer NFL games. Search for these apps in the Amazon App Store and install them. Segment 3. Subscribing to NFL streaming services. To stream live NFL games, you'll often need a subscription to a streaming service. NFL Game Pass provides access to live out-of-market preseason games, replays of every game, and more. Subscribe through the NFL app or website. Streaming platforms, services like Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling V offer live NFL coverage as part of their packages. Subscribe to one that fits your viewing needs. Segment 4. Navigating the NFL app on Firestick. Let's take a tour of the NFL app on Firestick. Main menu. Navigate through options like scores, schedule, and videos to catch up on highlights and news. Live games. Watch live games by selecting the Live tab. You may need to log in with your subscription credentials to access. Segment 5. Troubleshooting tips. Encountering issues. Here are some troubleshooting tips. Check internet connection. Ensure your Firestick is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Update apps. Go to settings greater than applications greater than manage installed applications and update your NFL and streaming apps. Restart your Firestick. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches. Unplug your Firestick from power, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. Conclusion. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to watching NFL games on Firestick. Whether you're following your team's journey or catching the big game live, Firestick makes it easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.